It's on the other side.
Lads, what does it matter? We just got to eat 10 wraps right now. Show the camera how you've opened it. Couldn't be more incorrect.
We just spent 2 weeks going to Broome and back, opening packet after packet after packet.
There's worse things in life to worry about than an incorrect opening of a packet, alright? Not the job.
And not right now. Not right now. Like right now, that's the worst thing that happened.
You know what? Get your own wrap.
I'm pretty happy with how our dinner went last night. Looks sensational.
For sure.
Yeah.
Like, presentation was better, and it's hard to tiz up like just meat. It tasted good though. It's all about quality ingredients, right?
That was very good.
Cheesy garlic bread was a little unsung hero though.
Tasted amazing. Didn't look as clean as it could have.
No.
But was effective.
Was nice.
I'm disappointed with the reaction from Team Red.
Yeah. I don't know if they were silent or didn't say much, because if they were overly impressed with our...
Yeah, we got nothing from them, did we? We didn't get a rise at all.
It's kind of that we've just got to impress, right? Like,
yeah,
he's the judge.
Yeah, I'll be disappointed if that doesn't win.
Oh,
if that platter, that meat platter, gets outdone by avocado and cheese on toast.
with onion.
With onion.
Richie's got a few more places he wants to show us down around Augusta. So I think it's called Foul Bay.
Foul
Foul Bay. So we're going to head down there and then we'll find somewhere for lunch.
Plan of attack is today, head off to a nice little lookout at Cozy Corner. We'll go on to a nice secluded beach. Hopefully there'll be no one on the beach. We'll go for a bit of a surf. Might be able to have lunch today at one of my favourite pubs. Certainly got the best view, that's for sure. Yeah, beers on you.
Beers on me.
Beers on you, views on me. Alright, no worries.
Hey Mitch, thoughts on just going and leaving Blake up there?
Yeah, I'm pretty keen.
It's flicking some good sand there, Rich.
Turn your indicator off, lad.
Even with traction control off, it's doing that.
Oh.
But even with traction control, it's still nice. I'm just as triggered. Yeah, I'm just as triggered. It's okay.
The snorkel just sucked it all in, dude. Oh, Mitch just got so much sand in his car. You should see his face.
Love it. Oh, the canopy. Oh, the
Keep going. Keep going.
Oh, this guy's gonna break it up.
Never in doubt.
go Team Blue. Might be heavy, but you get us
Never
there.
in doubt. Blue car is clear, red's good to go.
Oh, the canopy, bro.
I had way less bouncing on mine than they did.
Yeah. You know he would have just been giggling the whole time in the car, right? John, you'd be like,
Get
ooh. Your back of your car was a bouncy castle.
Legit, it felt like it.
So we're having to air down. Team Blue's running a bit heavy. Some would say it's because we're carrying the load. Carrying Team Red.
How far is the pub on the main road, lad?
About 15 minutes max.
We're at the local pub somewhere in Augusta. Don't actually know where it is.
You're in Augusta.
You're in Augusta, mate. There's only one pub.
I don't know.
Just say we're at a local pub.
Okay. We're at a local pub. Nah. Yeah, needs more chips.
More chips and a bigger breast.
I reckon like a breast. I get the quarter tomato, but like, come on. Just give us a couple slices or something. I reckon they could have toasted the bread. Agreed.
Chips are good though.
Are you chips first or are you chips last up to go?
Chips first. Well, we had the conversation about food on top of chips. Yeah. Are you a yes or a no? I'm strongly against it.
I don't prefer it, no.
We've just finished up lunch.
Where are we heading now?
We're going to go to Boranup Forest.
Boranup Forest, very scenic drive. Also a very dangerous drive. Don't drive it at night.
Eyes up.
It's definitely bad. I think after that we're going to a lighthouse. We're going to a secret spot of Mitch's. A bit of a fish and maybe 1 or 2 cans.
I'm trying to avoid the trees.
Wait, what's the trees?
I'm trying, bro. I don't want to drop that back wheel over too soon.
What does it feel like? Like we're just doing the pedals.
It's a strange feeling. It'd be weirder if you were steering from that side and I was pedaling.
Yeah.
Because I can sort of picture the steering wheel.
That was fun.
A couple of minutes trying to get some shots down where the lookout is on Caves Road, just as it goes through Boranup Forest. Sort of swerves around, so we got a couple of shots of the cars there, and now we've turned off down a gravel track for a bit of a look-see.
All right, lads. So we had a bit of fun in Boranup Forest. I reckon we've got enough time to wet the line. What do you reckon, guys?
Definitely keen to wet a line.
Do you know of any spots down here, bud?
Definitely one little spot that I've been to 1 or 2 times. Got a few little fish out of it.
We all go down there, mate, and I outfish you down there as well.
You challenged to outfish him 2 nights in a row. Is there going to be a steak on this? Like, man?
Speaking of steak, what's for dinner tonight?
Avocados, mate.
Why don't you take us to that special spot of yours, mate? We'll wet the line, see what we can get, and I know somewhere where we can have a few beers for sunset. It's an absolute cracker. What do you reckon?
So windy. That's the entire shopping catalogue of fishing gear from BCF and that backpack. And you still won't catch a fish.
Catch anything, Mitch?
Nope.
There's a fish.
No fish, going up. Nothing.
Wow.
Bad wind.
Change your dinner plans, eh?
So Mitch, this is where you
Yeah, tell us.
For the fans out there,
There's not a good story.
this is where Mitch proposed
This is where she said no.
to his lovely wife, and honest to God, on the drive in, she said, "Oh, I hate this place." I mean, it's pretty average right now, you know what I mean?
I think when people subscribe, they should be able to subscribe to Team Blue or Team Red. Yeah, we can actually start bringing out some merchandise.
That's it.
Team Blue merchandise, Team Red merchandise.
Yeah.
I
Tell you
like
what, Team Blue's just good vibes. Team Red will probably get you there. Unfortunately, Mitch's spot did not come into any fruition, but that's okay. What we will do though is we'll head off to the nice little secret squirrel spot, and we'll probably have some bevies there, I reckon. Watch the sunset.
So Richie, the big reveal, where is this location?
Well, it's here, obviously.
It's a secret spot.
Here for you to find and me to know.
Somewhere on the
I'm not going to tell you.
Somewhere on the coastline of WA. It may be up north, it may be down south. We don't know.
Yeah, who knows? Oh, North Amanda, I think it is. wrap this up. I
Shall we
wonder if
actually-
the boys are have finished cooking our dinner. No, I don't think they have. Or Mitchie. Let's.
Mitchie might be
It's
under.
definitely Mitchie. Yeah, Blake is probably just there, just going, "Oh, yeah, have you done it yet?"
Oh, have you done it yet?
I reckon-
Oi, have you done it yet?
I reckon Blake will be toasting.
It's been a good day actually. So you've taken us on a grand tour around Augusta and the surrounding areas.
Yeah,
It's,
trying to fit in everything I could. Started off with Brekkie.
our standard auto spec special. Got a wrap, got a plate.
Got a wrap, got a plate.
Got a wrap, got a plate. So interesting. Everyone's got their own technique for the wrap too, by the way. Went to Boranup and tried to get a couple of shots of the vehicles cruising through a bit of a fish.
At Mitchie's secret spot.
Mitchie's secret spot. Yeah,
He couldn't bag one though, could he?
No, he couldn't. Bit windy. Bit windy. he
Oh,
reckons.
that's what he reckons.
Yeah.
It's windy
Yeah.
all the time, and I don't think the fish really notice the wind.
No. Reckons he
Right.
got onto one though.
Oh,
Yeah. We'll give Mitch a break because he hasn't caught a fish on the last 3 episodes, so we'll let him go. But now we're on our way back into camp. Hopefully the Team Red are about half an hour ahead of us, so hopefully they've already got the dimmies on the barbie and they're ready to get stuck into their cooking challenge. Let's see what the boys have got in store.
if we get there, my goodness.